Hi, Acadiana. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. Welcome to your Wednesday. It's May the 29th. You're watching Acadiana Weather Today, a short morning chat on the upcoming weather conditions and how they're going to affect your day. But what a difference a day makes. Those showers and thunderstorms coming through Acadiana yesterday afternoon and evening, allowing those temperatures to drop back. In fact, most areas managed to drop into the upper 60s for a while overnight, and now we're starting to recover back into the 70s as the sun comes up. So let's go ahead and take a look at the webcam, the sky cam rather, and we generally have clear skies. There are some high thin clouds out there this morning, and as I said, temperatures have dropped into the 60s and 70s across Acadiana, some 10 degrees cooler than where we've been over the past several days. Right now there are a few widely scattered showers out to our west, a few thunderstorms south of Dallas. Some of the high thin cloudiness we're seeing today is blown off from some of the tops of those thunderstorms, and you can see that here on the satellite imagery as some of those thunderstorms continue to move off to the east. But there's some residual cloud cover kind of left over, with a bit of a trough over the eastern half of the country and more of a ridge over the southwest. We've been seeing these impulses kind of moving in that northwest flow, and that's what happened yesterday, where the thunderstorms fired up over North Texas and then kind of slid off toward the southeast. Originally, that severe thunderstorm watch we had yesterday was for the Texas counties, and then as it was progressing and was looking more like it was heading into the Louisiana parishes, therefore the thunderstorm watch was posted for us as well. And a good thing, because we had a lot of severe thunderstorm warnings that went out, had a couple of damage reports over Acadia Parish, and we also had a wind gust at Acadiana Regional at about 58 miles per hour. So the surface map showing the frontal boundary across the region right now. Surface forecast is going to be also showing the possibility for a few widely scattered showers or thunderstorms today, but I just don't think we're going to see the coverage that we saw yesterday. And most of the region is just under a general thunderstorm activity area, with the darker grain shaded in the level 1, a marginal risk. So really it looks like the thunderstorm threat is, at least the strong thunderstorm threat, is going to be a lot lower today. And high temperatures are going to be reaching the upper 80s to near 90, but again, if you look toward the northwest, those temperatures have dropped back a bit. Some of that could be due to some cloud cover as well as some thunderstorm activity. Gulf of Mexico, other than those high residual clouds, we're looking okay. Caribbean satellite, we're still watching some thunderstorms there near Panama and Nicaragua and Costa Rica. But we're not expecting any development there because the wind shear is quite high, and the rest of the Atlantic looking okay. So the National Hurricane Center not seeing any tropical cyclone activity over the next several days. If you want to get more details on the tropics, every day at noon, it's a live stream. We'll talk about the tropics. Did one yesterday. If you want to check that out, it is located on the page. Unfortunately, the audio dropped off for the last 3 minutes, but it's a pretty long video. Today's video will be considerably shorter as things are quite very quiet across the tropics. But we'll be doing that daily at about noon. It's called Let's Talk Tropics right here on Acadiana Weather Today. So touching 90 later this afternoon, a possibility of a few isolated thunderstorms, but I don't think the coverage is going to be quite as big as what we saw yesterday. 87 your high on Thursday. I do think there will be a better chance for showers and thunderstorms as the ridge out to the southwest kind of breaks down, and that allows some of these northwestern disturbances push into the area like yesterday. So Thursday we'll go with a little higher rain chance, and then Friday we'll get back to the showers and thunderstorms. And the weekend, it looks like we'll see at least some pop-up thunderstorms out there. Very summer-like. As we start to transition into June, you start to get those daily afternoon showers and thunderstorms thanks to the sea breeze. Well, I hope you enjoy Acadiana Weather Today. If you do, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you turn on those notifications too. That way you know when we do a live stream, or when Let's Talk Tropics starts up a little later this afternoon, or when the next weather forecast is dropped each and every weekday morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. I hope you have a great day today, and I will see you on Thursday morning.